How to redeem codes in Brawl Stars. Now, before doing this method, for you to have this kind of feature in Brawl Stars, you have to make sure first that you are currently running the latest version of the application. All you have to do is just go to any apps store where you have downloaded Brawl Stars, and in here, ensure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap it out and it will automatically do the magic by itself. Now relaunch your Brawl Star application and make sure that you're logged into your Supercell ID. Now, a redemption of codes in Brawl Stars can only be done via the Content Creators Boost. To do so, just head out straight to Shop at the left portion of your screen, and then just scroll all the way to the right till you find this option that says Content Creator Boost. If you have a code, then just simply hit on this green option right here and then just simply type in your unique code. So that's basically it. That's how you redeem codes in Brawl Stars.